Welcome to my channel. So y'all, today I am doing a Amazon unboxing. That's the box over here. So I got me a home office desk. I've been wanting a desk for so long, so I finally looked on Amazon and I found one that looked real nice, and I'm about to put it together. It say it only take about 10 to 20 minutes, so we about to see. I hope this light bulb ain't broke. So this come with a lamp that you can attach to the desk, and they included a light bulb. I'm gonna check and see if it's not broken, because I feel like I was a little hard on that box. It's still in good shape. Still in good shape. Okay, I'm gonna sit this up here so I don't break it. The lampshade. And it's a nice size. It fit perfectly right here. This is where it's going, so. We can take the plastic off and then we go ahead and get to these other parts. It worked on that one. I don't know why. That wasn't working. Whew, it's hot. A hard time actually getting it out the box, but the putting it together seems more easier than to take that out the box. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so I'm finally done assembling everything, and it was pretty easy. The hardest part was sliding a box out of a box. That was the hardest part about the whole process, but everything was easy. The legs was twist on. Everything was pretty much twist on, so yeah, I'll give this a 10 out of 10. It came with the lamp, so that's even better, just in case, you know, you want to have the rest of your lights off. It came with a light, and you can actually take the entire lamp out if you want to, but I like it. So I kept the lamp on there, and it has the light switch here, and it has the USB so I can charge my phone while I'm at my desk. Y'all, I love it. Ooh, I'm about to be getting some work done. But yeah, y'all, and this is a chair that I already had in here, so I might keep this, or I might get an actual computer chair, office chair. I might get an actual office chair, but I feel like I can do this. I might be good with just this chair right now, but this desk is super nice. It was less than $200, and it came with a built-in charger ports, USB. You can plug in a USB and a USB-C. Not sure what that one actually is. And then there's another AC outlet on here. But yeah, y'all, this is super nice. And yeah, that was the end of this video, but I will link this down below just in case anybody, you know, got them a home office and or work in your house. It don't have to be a home office. It can go in your room, because this is in my room, but it's still my little office area. So yeah, if y'all thinking about getting this, get it. Like, it's affordable, and I like how this look. This looks so just chic, good quality, and it's giving like luxury, and it matches the aesthetic and the colors. This is exactly what I wanted. But yeah, y'all, that is it. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all next time.